What's up, everybody? It's Court from Cody Media. I help restaurant owners get butts in seats. Wanted to share with you a post idea that you can steal for your own restaurant that is seriously kicking butt right now. So I posted this on my KC Good Eats page, which is a page for local restaurants where we feature local restaurants. And what we're doing is a giveaway here. And if you can see that, we're saying win a party pack. To enter, tell us your favorite Mexican food item below. We'll send you an entry plus a tasty offer in Messenger. So I created a graphic of like 4 different options. Now, people aren't limited to these 4, but it's kind of like that meme of like you can only choose one, right? So they only can pick one. And then all people have to do to enter is comment. And you can see this. We already have 142 comments, 11 shares. This is just in 2 hours. And no paid ads. It's just exploding. But the secret sauce that we're doing is that when they comment, we are using the program that we use for our other restaurants to bring them into Facebook Messenger to build a database. Remember, that's our big thing, is get them off of Facebook and into Messenger or into your own database and then drive them in to spend money. So what we're doing is inside of Messenger, and this is me testing it out, you can see we're collecting their email address. And then we're saying, yay, you're entered to win. This is the party pack. But then we're giving them an offer. And the offer that we're giving them is a free small queso dip. We have the terms on here, when it expires. We have a link to their menu, their different locations. And then when they're ready to redeem, they come in and they push the redeem button right there. And then that's where it says redeem. And then it says, what was the order total? What was the check? And so right in here, just me testing it out, I put in $25 and it says, great, thank you. Visit their Facebook page. So what we're doing is we're getting a ton of engagement here. We are then getting them off of Facebook. We're building a database, email address. We could also do phone number. And then we're giving them an offer to get them in the door. So you can't put likes and shares in the bank, right? So, we're doing something that will actually get them to come in and spend money with you, because that's the goal. That's what you need to do. So steal this idea, do it for your restaurant. It's super awesome. Like I said, 2 hours and we've already got a ton of comments and we're just getting started. So if you have any questions about how it works, send me a message. Love to chat with you. I will talk to y'all soon. Bye.